Welcome back. I am Rimi, your host, and this is Section 4 of our Introduction Masterclass. You're doing a wonderful job staying with me. In this section, we are going to learn how to talk about our age. Age means how many years you have lived. First, let us learn the question. How do we ask someone about their age? We say, "How old are you?" Let us say it slowly. How old are you? How old are you? Repeat after me. How old are you? Now the answer is very interesting in English. In some languages, people say I have 20 years, but in English, that is a mistake. In English, we do not use the verb have for age. We use the verb to be. Am, is, are. We say, I am number years old. Or you can just say, I am number 12. Both are correct. Let us practice some numbers for age. Repeat after me. I am 18 years old. I am 20 years old. I am 25 years old. I am 20 years old. I am 21 years old. I am 40 years old. Let us practice the short version too. Now think of your age. If you do not want to say your real age, that is okay. Just pick a number for practice. I will ask the question, and you will answer me. Rimi, how old are you? You, I am. Great job. Remember, never say I am 20 years old. Always say I am 20 years old. Let us add this to our introduction. Listen to how it sounds when we put everything together. Hi. Good afternoon. My name is Rimi. I am 25 years old. I am from Bangladesh, and I live in Dhaka. Wow! It sounds like a real, professional introduction. It is clean, clear, and very easy to understand. Let us do a small repetition check. Speak with me. How old are you? I am years old. You're doing amazing. Your pronunciation is getting clearer. Don't stop now. You're doing great. This is the end of Section 4. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Get ready for Section 5.